I was genuinely excited when I came across the Google Career Certificates. It truly creates an opportunity to have access to incredible training, get a certificate that can lead directly to a job. I immediately knew we needed them here at Chattanooga State.
I love tech. I love technology, but I really didn't know where to start. I have a responsibility. I can't go to school full time. So I took the Google IT Support Certificate here at Chattanooga State, and I did it in less than 3 months. I graduated on Friday, and by Monday, I had a job offer. Currently, I'm an IT manager for the city of Red Bank.
Here in Chattanooga, we really need more tech workers. These are jobs that are paying a living wage here and have insurance and can really change a life. Businesses have been able to explain what exactly they need, and Chattanooga State can tailor what they do to support it. And really having this opportunity here in Chattanooga not only changes the life of the person that gets the job and their family, but also the opportunity for our employers to actually hire local.
I remember still to this day, when I quit my second job, my son woke up Saturday morning and he said, "Mom, are you not going to work today?" And I said, "Well, I don't have to."
I would love to see this modeled at other community colleges all across the country. When we take advantage of these Google Career Certificates, we can begin to break down cycles and change generational outcomes. And the community college provides an incredible platform to be able to do that from.
There's no right or wrong person that can take the Google Career Certificate. If you have a passion and you have the drive and you want to change your life, I say go for it because it changed my life.